Why does your scanner show the P144A engine code? What does it mean? P144A is a diagnostic trouble code for Evaporative Emission System, Purge Vapor Line Restricted or Blocked. The P144A engine code for indicate. The vehicle's computer has detected an issue where fuel vapors cannot properly flow from the charcoal canister to the engine's intake due to a blockage in the line. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty EVAP purge valve, blocked or kinked vapor lines, damaged EVAP hoses, malfunctioning fuel pressure sensor, circuit or wiring issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury Milan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.